Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail on using your Instagram. You don't have to on your data, you don't have to on your Wi-Fi. It's just free there. Okay, so it can take you less than 5 minutes to create if you're fast enough. You don't have to be a professional before you create it. Okay, so people have been getting it so tough, to create a thumbnail. Okay, so what is thumbnail? First of all, thumbnail is those things that those picture you see or picture with write-ups you see on YouTube before you actually watch that video, like the one you saw on this video before you watch it. It's very, very catchy and attractive. It helps people to get to watch your video. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. But if this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell if this is the kind of video you are looking for. Let's dive into the video straight up.
Just go to your Instagram. So this is my Instagram. Okay, so click on your icon here. Okay, so now you want to create a thumbnail. So first of all, choose a picture of a background that you would like to use. Okay, one background from here. So let me choose, these are my background that I saved already. Okay, so let me choose this one. Okay, so when you choose a background, the next thing you have to do is to go back to your picture again. When you go back to your picture, then select, I'm talking of Instagram, so I have to select Instagram image, and place it here. Okay, then I have to bring my picture as well. Let me use this one. So what you have to do is you copy this particular picture. Do you see what I did? I just press on the picture and then copy it. Then I have to place it here. I have to paste it here. Okay, so now if you want this one to go inside, you click on it. Then if you want the other one to go inside, you click on it. Okay, just by click they can go. Anyone you want to confront will confront. Okay, so we are trying to create something here. Okay, all right, so it's simple. So you have to write, make a write-up how to create all right, so let's change the color of this write-up. Okay, first of all, let's make this one this way. All right, then this one you make it okay. Let's change the color to be able to suit the background. Okay, let's place this one here first. How to make this one capital letter. How to create YouTube. Okay, so let's find color for this. It's YouTube, so it has to go with red. Sorry. Okay, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, using Instagram, using make it a capital letter. Instagram. Okay, so wait, let's do it this way. Yeah. So this is what we want. Okay, so let's do it this way. So you have to bring this one, just make it to be, in line with what you want to create. Because remember, the YouTube have size, so don't make it to overlap. So in terms of creating this, this is your most attractive word. Okay, so you have to make it very big and known. I'm looking for a better picture to use on this. Or rather, let me change this. Okay. I'm looking for, okay, look at what I will do. Okay, it's good. So let's do something on this one. Let's do something on, let's change the color. No. Okay, I think this one will be okay. We can change can make it this way. If you want, you can make it this way. So you can change the letters and whatever. You can make it be like this, you can make it be like this, you can make it be like this. Depends on what you want. Okay, so we are just selecting the right one we can use. Let's check this one. Okay. Okay, I think this one is okay. Then thumbnail. Have to change thumbnail writing. Have to change the writing also. Remember, this is one of your catchy, what okay. I need, okay. We're missing one word using. Okay. Then YouTube. YouTube should also come out. We need to change this, okay, to make it look good. Okay. Okay, now we have to make all these things small to be able to suit the space in YouTube. So we have to shorten the picture and then this thing is not needed. Okay, so it's not needed. So I have to delete it. As you can see, it's not needed. So let's work with this one. Okay. Okay. I'm not comfortable with this. Let's just change it color and use it like that. No, because of the background, so it's giving issues. Sorry, not this one. Okay. So this is what you have, guys. So I think we're able to come out with something good. Okay, so what you have to do after you might have finished creating, okay, is to save. Either you save or you can screenshot, you know. Okay, so you've created your, your thumbnail. Okay, so let's go back. See everything. This is the one that we saved. Okay, and this is the one that we screenshot. Okay, so when you come here, you can make it, you can even leave it like that, and when you get to the YouTube, you make it good. We've successfully created our thumbnail using our Instagram. I'm still going to post a video on how to create thumbnail using Canva.
Hello guys, I hope you loved the video. Okay, so if you have any comment, please drop it in the comment section. Bye.